সাইফুল, এই সামার ভ্যাকেশন তুমি কেন কই কটালা কোয়াশন ইংলিশ দিয়ে একদম পুরা।
Assalamu alaikum, namaskar. I have come to our Sarsam after a long time. Now I am sitting on the chair. I want to say about our summer vacation. How did I spend my summer vacation? First 2 days I spent in our home. Thereafter I went to our grandmother's home. I spent there 4 days. I stayed here 4 days and I enjoyed there. Thereafter I came back to our home and I went and came back to our home. My maternal uncle came with me. He bring a coconut for us and we made cake for us. We eat this cake with very enjoyable. And now today is my cousin's sister marriage ceremony, and I was at home. My sir is working now because my sir's home is repairing. Now I am sitting here. I have come to our sir's home after a long time. So my sir has presented me a new book. This book's name is Essays and Letters. Thank you so much. I come to our Jahangir Alam Azad sir's home, and sir advised me that you have to study so much. You have to store at least 10 words in your memory. And I always obey my sir's advice. My sir's advice, we have to do math and science so much because English is a language. But English is a language. If I want to visit in this world, then English is so essential for us. So we have to study English so much. But if we don't know about math and science, then the value of English is none. So we have to study English and also math and science. My uncle has come to our sir's home also. Uncle is now looking at me. Uncle is laughing now, and I am talking with uncle. Yes. I am very grateful to my sir